In this video, I will show you how to upload video in your Facebook page, the simple and easy way. So let's get started. Once we have switched from Facebook profile to the Facebook page, we need to click this Photo Video tab for adding Facebook posts. In this pop-up window, first we can add a nice title for the video post. And next, we can click this Add Photos or Video placeholder and upload the video from our computer. And next, let's edit the video post and optimize the video. Here, we need to enter the video title, same as Facebook post or different. Next, we can optimize the video with tags here. If we have the captions or subtitles for the video, we can upload the SRT text file here. Next, we can upload a thumbnail for the video. Pick from any one of these options. We can select one from suggested. Upload our own from computer. Finally, we can save and update the changes we made to the video. Once video optimization and thumbnail is all added, we can post it on Facebook. And done, you can see the video we posted on Facebook page timeline. We can check the video uploaded are in the video section of our page. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.